Ms. Barry.
Walking around the city, I have discovered that there are a lot of dogs in this city. A lot of people have very big dogs in this city. The other thing is everyone knows my children. And that's sort of, as we say in Spanish, la buena noticia, la mala noticia. It's the good news and the bad news that they know my kids. What I've heard from everybody I've talked to is a concern about the taxes. And the concern about the tax hike is interesting because it's not so much the tax hike, it's tax hike as a result of a lack of strategic planning. And this is what people are concerned about. They don't see strategy coming out of City Hall. They're also talking to me about missed economic opportunities in this city. And last but not least, they are extraordinarily proud of their schools and want to see the City Council do everything possible to maintain the excellent quality of their schools.
Thank you.